Hi guys, welcome to Learn and Grow. English Grammar Quiz. Articles. There are 15 questions in this quiz. Each question has 3 options. You will get 5 seconds to think the answer. Please share your scores and comment, and don't forget to click on subscribe button. John wants to eat Gap apple today. John wants to eat an apple today. Sam is going out in the rain, so he needs Gap umbrella. Sam is going out in the rain, so he needs an umbrella. Gap river is full of clean water. The river is full of clean water. He is not Gap honest person. He is not an honest person. I gave Gap 1 rupee coin to him. I gave a 1 rupee coin to him. I saw Gap old man walking in the park. I saw an old man walking in the park. My mother always exercises for Gap hour in the evening. My mother always exercises for an hour in the evening. My father is Gap doctor. My father is a doctor. Gap capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. You will get your result in Gap hour. You will get your result in an hour. We can see Gap moon at night. We can see the moon at night. Gap car is red in color. The car is red in color. I want to watch tennis on television. It is Gap very good game. I want to watch tennis on television. It is a very good game. Samuel is Gap honorable person. Samuel is an honorable person. I saw Gap very bright star in the sky a few nights ago. I saw a very bright star in the sky a few nights ago. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.